about 5 weeks after my resumption. And the journey was arduous, was very tasking. WHO global benchmarking is all about comparing regulatory agencies that will want to do that with the best regulatory agencies in the world. Not comparing ourselves with ourselves, but with the best. And they told us that we would need to meet 868 recommendations before we can get to maturity level 3. The good news is that NAFDAC is now maturity level 3 regulatory agency. We are the third, NAFDAC is the third in Africa. And only very few in the world. I'm talking of low middle income countries. Only very, very few. So this is a great achievement for NAFDAC. When you hear maturity level 3, you can ask what is the next step. It's maturity level 4. We're already working on maturity level 4. What will that do for us? It will bring greater news to our pharmaceutical industry. And our pharmaceutical industry is represented in the council by Dr. Akwa, meaning that any product that NAFDAC approves in Nigeria can be traded globally. That is where my vision is, that's where my focus is. Of course, what we have achieved now is great because it's assuring Nigeria that our drugs, the quality of our drugs are better. Our clinical trial guidances and guidelines are better. Regulatory inspection is better. Our laboratory testing, I'm listing the functions they benchmarked us for. Our laboratory testing is at the best stage that it was ever be, or it was ever at, rather. That our market control is better. What is market control? When a product is approved, knowing that many of our products come from outside, I will take that first. When it is approved, now the importer brings it to the port. That is where the market control starts. Until that product goes through the market, the life cycle, which is going through the post-marketing stage. They've seen us that we are better, much better in our market control. Market authorization is another function. Registration of our products. We have gone from manual to e-registration. Few glitches here and there. However, they've seen us as much better. This is a continuous quality improvement. Even when we get maturity level 4, they will be coming every 3 years to make sure that we are still keeping our standards, we are following our standards. And there is no fear because of the template on which we started, which is the quality system. President Buhari intervened and gave us about 736 million to equip our lab, buy equipment, more equipment, and to build the vaccine lab. What maturity level 3 prepares us for now is manufacturing of our own vaccine. NAFDAC does not manufacture vaccine, but our manufacturers can manufacture vaccine. Without maturity level 3, we will not be able to manufacture vaccine. That is the first immediate benefit. Now we can manufacture our own vaccine because NAFDAC is stronger. And we are building the vaccine lab now in Oshodi. By the middle of the year or early third quarter, that lab will be ready. It is because the government has supported us. That is part of why we are here today. And that is one of the reasons why WHO has that confidence that the political will is there.